false sense of security, courtesy of some of our attorneys general in different states. I'm Mark Stewart Greenstein. This is the Daily Fire for August 1st. So I just read that a federal judge has agreed to the petitions of 7 state attorneys general, one of them being George Jepsen of Connecticut, who want a ban on the publishing of 3D blueprints on the internet to assemble plastic guns. Here's why it is a false sense of security. Publishing on the internet is not the only way to disseminate material. Bad guys intent on evil can get information, okay? And even with that ban, don't feel like it's secure because it's August 1st. There's still information. I found 4 different websites within 45 seconds, okay, about making plastic guns that are lethal. And remember, there are other devices that are equally lethal that you're not going to be able to publish against everything. How to strangle somebody, how to garrote somebody, how to use a shank on somebody without detecting beforehand, okay? These could be published too. Are you going to prevent speech? You can't do it. And people can't feel a sense of safety at all with this kind of publishing ban. It might be a First Amendment issue. It is certainly unwise. Let me say where people might feel more sense of security. It's with good guys that have guns. The people surrounding everyone who's innocent wants to go about their daily lives because the threat of going hard against a bad guy, that somebody who uses his plastic gun might be shot and killed, is a very good deterrent. And frankly, I think it's the only deterrent. Publishing is not going to change. Now, I will venture one other deterrent that our Attorney General in Connecticut doesn't seem to feel is effective: the death penalty for using those guns against innocents. George Jepsen presided over a legal department that did nothing while the state of Connecticut just abolished the death penalty, okay, by fiat, okay, judge and then governor. He did nothing. The death penalty just may deter. I'm not saying it automatically does. I am saying it may, and having it on the books is wise. It is fair. It is just. We took it off the books. I hope it can be restored. I will fight hard for hopefully a lot less than 4 years. I think this should be done in 4 weeks, that we restore a death penalty for murder. I have a couple other crimes that I think it should be in place for, and that we restore the faith in good guys with guns. Yes, that includes well-trained civilians, so that it's not just a police force. Because when you only entrust the government to do safety, you jeopardize everyone's safety. I'm Mark Stewart. Thank you.